Happy Friday to everybody. It's so beautiful. The flowers of Jidu Kamal Supi. It's very nice. Oh, you see? There is the garden. Oh, that is the residence of Sir Osama. Oh, you see? I don't know what is the street here. Oh, and this one is the car of Sarah. Oh, see? Oh, residence more. These are metro garbage. Very nice. We stay here 1 year last year in Iraq. Baghdad, Iraq, so we stay here 1 year. Okay. So this one, residence of Sarah. It's okay. Thank you again. Thank you for watching and thank you to subscribe me. Keep safe to everybody and bye.